मतलब इट्स जस्ट शॉकिंग टू मी व्हेन आई सी कि जिस तरीके के हेट मिलती है लड़कियों को ऑन द इंटरनेट, यू नो, ग्रोन वुमेन मैन, एंड यू नो, जस्ट इट्स नॉट जस्ट हेट, राइट? इट्स आल्सो रेप थ्रेट्स, डेथ थ्रेट्स. It's just horrible. How do you, and I know that obviously I'm sure you found a way to deal with this in your own mind, but I just want to know, what is your way of now overcoming something like this?
I turned off my comments, my story mentions, and my DMs for beginners. But I think before this entire incident, last 1.5 साल it was not really affecting me that much. At least the rape threats, the death threats, I was like, you know, you get so, you read it every day on a daily basis that it stops meaning anything. जैसे आप हॉर्न ओके प्लीज पढ़ते हो, you never really think about it anymore, you know, because it's so common. You read it and you're like, हाँ, हर ट्रक के पीछे लिखा होता है. हर दिन मुझे एक कमेंट आता है जो मुझे आर वर्ड बुलाता है या बोलता है मुझे रेप कर देगा या बोलता है मुझे मार. And you get used to it. You get numb at one point. You're like, that's just the field you're in. I had never gotten hate to the extent that I did. So that I had not gotten used to. I was not relevant enough to be a part of this scandal, first of all. So I was like, I have the least amount of followers on that table. Stop it. But it was a lot. People found my parents' accounts. My mom's account was public. And when all of this was happening, I, you know, 2 दिन तक I was only thinking about myself. I never, मेरा दिमाग गया ही नहीं मेरे माँ बाप की तरफ. तो 2 दिन तक तो मैंने उनसे बात ही नहीं की थी. And I didn't know what's happening घर पे. So my mom got a lot of R words and rape threats and, you know, तुम्हारी बेटी, slut shaming and whatever. And I didn't know till 3 days later when I called my brother and I was like, घर पे सब कुछ ठीक है. तो उसने मुझे बोला मम्मी का BP 180/120 है, which when I googled was like an SOS, you know, could have a heart attack scenario. And then he told me the entire thing, you know, ऐसे ऐसे करके comments आए. And I was like, तो फिर मम्मी ने क्या किया? And he was like, मम्मी ने बस लिखा I'm very proud of my daughter और फिर अपने comments off कर दिए. And yeah, so I mean, that really hurt me because, you know, as I said, I wanted to do a lot of things for my mom. And, you know, my dad, whatever he said, you know, growing up, he always said कि, you know, समाज में इज्जत रहनी चाहिए. हम इतने टाइम से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, लोग हमें जानते हैं. I just felt like he lost all of that in a second. And he always told me कि गाली मत दिया करो, videos मत बनाओ. And everything that he was scared of came true. And I put them through all of that. And they didn't complain even once. So I just wish that this was not the cost to pay. But I'll get out of India and it'll all be fine. So I've used so many tissues. It's just.
I really want to just say, Apurva, first of all, again, thank you again for sharing these parts of your life. होता क्या है ना, अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे लगता है कि एक बार इंटरनेट पे कोई फेमस हो जाता है ना, एज अ सोसाइटी उनको सिर्फ आप एक हैंडल जैसे देखते हो, आप एक ब्रांड जैसा देखते हो, आप भूल जाते हो कि एक इंसान भी वहाँ पे है. यू नो, इट इज़, आई हैव रिटन अबाउट दिस नाउ एक्सटेंसिवली, बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड why this needed to happen. This is the most ridiculous thing that I have seen in our country, and I've seen many ridiculous things in our country over the years. एक इतना disproportionate response for something that has happened on the internet, and it was a private channel, subscription का वीडियो था. डैंग ह्यूमर जो समझ, you know, I'm still one of the people who wakes up in the morning and reads the newspaper. मैं उठाता हूँ.
Life must be tough.
It is. I open the newspaper, 2nd, 3rd, 4th page पे ना, at least 3 or 4 rape cases against women are there. जिनको कभी जस्टिस नहीं मिलता, कोई फास्ट ट्रैक नहीं करता, कोई प्रायोरिटी नहीं मिलती, कोई मीडिया, मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया चैनल जाकर हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर के सामने आके ये नहीं पूछ रहा कि इस रेप केस के बारे में क्या हुआ. There is such a lack of prioritization. The government resources that have been spent on this, जो आप कितनी और चीज़ों में स्पेंड कर सकते थे. मेक आर रोड्स बेटर, मेक आर सिटीज बेटर, मेक आर एयर बेटर, मेक श्योर women are feeling safe in our country. बट वो सब छोड़ दो साइड पर. Let's just make this the national issue. It's just absolutely ridiculous, and I'm so sorry about everything that you have gone through. I don't even think any of us can imagine what it must feel when your parents are being reached out to. Just absolutely enormously sucks, and I'm just really sorry about that.
It's fine. It's just life.
It is life, and yet you've had to deal with this, and you are, I mean, I don't even know किस level पे आपने इसको deal किया है. How is your mother doing right now? How is
She
your
says
dad?
she's fine. And like my parents have not complained even once. I went home for 15 days. I cried for 15 days. And they were always like, it'll pass. कुछ भी नहीं होगा, होता रहता है. हम नहीं देखते थे बॉलीवुड वालों के साथ होता है, अब तू भी तो बॉलीवुड वाली है. And I'm like, I have a 2-minute role in a धर्मा movie. यार shut up, मैं कोई बॉलीवुड वाली नहीं हूँ. But yeah, ठीक है.
ये तो बहुत ही and your younger brother also, did he have anything?
No, he thinks I'm cool. Because I went on Latent. I went on Latent because he thought that Latent is the coolest thing that has happened to this country. So I was like, I'm also going to go and crack 2 jokes and make him proud. That's not how you make people proud, by the way.
यार मैं वही कहता हूँ कि जो संस्कार की बातें करते हैं, आप लोगों पे क्वेश्चन उछाल रहे हैं, वही उसी कमेंट्स के अंदर रेप की बात कर रहे हैं. मतलब दे आर गिविंग गालीज ऑफ द इवन वर्स देन एनीबडी एल्स कैन इमेजिन, एंड उनको कोई नहीं बोल रहा है संस्कार है. इट जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली, आई मीन, आई डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस इज ओके. आई एम गोना कम टू दैट. आई एम गोना टेक अ पॉज ओवर हियर बिकॉज इट इज अ लिटिल ओवरवेलमिंग, आई वुड इमेजिन. I have some more questions to ask you, but I also want to open it up to the folks over here right now. Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks, guys.
अगर आपके पास कुछ questions हैं, you can take a little bit of a breather from everything that we've been chatting about, because I know it can get heavy. Please go for it.
So Apurva, I think this should make sense according to what Nikhil said and everything that I've gotten to know about your journey as well. Being a creator myself, I think I ask myself a lot, although I'm an educational content creator, but do you think that the fame, the money, the attention, a lot of love, everything that we get overall, do you question that the cost of your mental health majorly a lot of times that you have to pay, is it all worth it on most days? Because
I have also asked myself that quite a lot.
yeah,
And the way I see it is, if I was working a 9 to 5, I would be miserable. So would I be miserable and poor? Or do I be miserable and rich and famous and have the right resources and meet the right people and party on a brand's money 5 days a week? And then go wherever I want. I came to Bombay to be an actor. I get auditions सामने से. Am I worthy of getting auditions सामने से? No, I don't have any public work, right? I don't have any acting gigs already live that they can look at and they think, oh, I'm Deepika Padukone, but I get it because I get the eyeballs. So for me, it's just easier to do the things that I want to do. And the money is insane. And I don't think that I've inspired anybody. But so many women have told me that, they now travel because they saw me travel. And I used to look up to Taylor Swift, and she changed my life so much, and I was like, fuck, I wish I can tell this girl, one day ki you changed it for me. And if I can be 0.01% of that, then I think it's a nice trade-off.
yeah, well said.
I would have lost my mental health no matter where I was. It's just how the arc is,
Hi Purva, firstly I want to give you a hug and I've missed you a lot. All of us have.
Come, hug.
Oh my god. So yeah, my question is, being such a great storyteller and having so many great stories to tell, do you ever are in a dilemma where to draw a line to put your life out there? Because first, the judgment, and second, the nazar factor, and how do you deal with it?
I don't believe in nazar, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत लोगों को लगाने की कोशिश की और नहीं लगा. They have been fully thriving, so I don't believe in it.
Okay. The judgment,
Oh,
like the
the
judgment
judgment.
factor.
यार, I think people who judge people on the internet are dumb. Why do you have to judge? Like when I see somebody's video, I'm never like, ये कैसा इंसान है भाई? ये क्यों इतनी पार्टी करता है? ये क्यों लड़कों से बात करता है? Like that's just not how I think. And my audience is not people who think that way. My audience is people who want to listen to somebody else's bad times and laugh on it. Right? जैसे तुम अपनी दोस्त से बात कर रहे हो फोन पे. You never judge कि तूने बोला था तू उसके पास वापस नहीं जाएगी तो तू क्यों गई? You don't do that. I see the internet as my long distance best friend. Right? I
Yeah.
share as if I'm talking to a friend. Now, if you judge, that's your problem. There's so much to do. You're sitting around judging me. And boundaries, I'm not going to share about my relationship that I learned. I also don't want to ever put my parents out there anymore.
You said that earlier.
And yeah, I don't think I'll be posting live stories anytime soon because the acid attack threats are really real. So yeah, but उसके अलावा मुझे लगता है कि you know this is such a new career and we're sort of the first generation who's seeing being so active on the internet that the audience always knows where you are. So we don't know what the repercussions are going to be. We've not seen a time where you can figure out where a creator lives because you know the view of their building. This is extremely scary stuff. So if one day I am on a true crime podcast about the 3 million follower influencer who lost her life because of sharing too much, then
Do it
that
for
will
the
be
plot.
it. Yeah, I'll do it for the plot.
But
No,
thank
no,
you.
please don't die for any
No, no,
plot.
no, no.
Please stay alive.
But thank you for being the virtual sister for all of us. We're
Oh,
really
thank you
grateful and
so
we miss you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Hope
bro.
to see you
Thank
back.
you. Thank you. You're too
Take care.
sweet. And that dimple's too cute.
Hi, Apurva, a really huge fan. I wanted to ask that how did you cope up with the first thought which came into your mind when you knew the entire country is against you for a statement which was a defense against somebody?
Wow. First of all, I don't think that the entire country is against me. क्योंकि हम में इतनी यूनिटी नहीं है कि हमारा पूरा देश किसी एक इशू के अगेंस्ट हो पाए. हम नहीं कर सकते. यार, I've always had this fear that I don't want to go back to asking my dad for money. I don't want to go back to not being able to afford what I want. I don't want to go back to not being able to travel. I don't want to go back to a small place because I can't afford rent in Bombay. And I lived my nightmare for a month straight. I'm still living it. And I'm going to Tomorrowland in 5 days.
Let's go.
In the middle of my nightmare. It's never as bad as you think. And people forget. There are rapists roaming around in this country. Nobody gives a fuck. So I hope they forget. And if they don't, I'll figure something else out. I'm a snake sign. I have a snake tattoo. I think I can always shed my skin and become somebody else. I don't know who yet. But life has a way of, figuring itself out. Or at least I hope so. If it doesn't work out, then I don't know what to do. But yeah, I'm not going to be poor for sure. I can't.
Okay, we'll come back to more questions. I think I want to take off for what she asked because one of the things that really bothered me when all of this happened, जो आपने statement आपकी जो viral गई थी, it was in response to something very misogynist and sexist that was said on the show. और उस लड़के के बारे में कुछ outrage नहीं थी. मतलब I didn't see any outrage.
Is this the first time in this country when there hasn't been an outrage against a man who did a woman wrong? It's not. It's not unheard of. It's not unusual. I was really angry about it. I was angry that why was the news not posting about that? And why were the papers not posting about that? And why were the, posts not targeting that man? But he's just a man. And I'm the rebel kid. Sensation sells. I'm the TRP. He's not. I am the thumbnail. He's a nobody. So I can't keep being angry at why did they not tell him anything. Because I chose this. I am the public figure. I am the views. And he's just a man, behaving like a man. Nothing unusual about it. Thanks guys, तुम हर बात पे ताली मार रहे हो. I just love it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.